My name is Anthony. I've been working for EK for a couple of months now, and I am the account manager for the engineering and construction space. Today I'll be giving you 3 resume tips that you can take along with you. The 3 tips that I'm going to quickly talk about and mention is number 1, to make sure you keep your resume updated. Number 2, skills. We don't want to say shopping lists. What I tend to see a lot of on a day-to-day basis is people just jotting down skills such as communication skills, time management skills. Now, that's all well and good. You might have learned, those skills. Although, what I suggest is that you go into a little bit more detail by explaining what you learned from those skills. And also, it's well worth noting down the key achievements section so a recruiter might understand your role a little bit better and understand how you might have attained those skills. So number 3, the design and content. And make sure it's tailored. Add a little bit of life to your resume. There's no problem in putting a little bit of color to your resume. Number 1, guys, make sure you keep your resume updated. Number 2, no shopping list skills. Explain what you learned from those skills and how you went about learning those skills. And number 3, bring your resume to life by adding color to it. Even border it. A recruiter might go, hours on end just seeing blurbs of words and paragraph. All of a sudden, they come across a resume with some color to it and it brightens up their day. So make sure you put a lot of effort into your resumes, guys. It takes you a long way.